Time to get rid of the dirty stained up rug the previous owners left in the house. What's that? Today we're going to show you how to change this to this. Let's go. We purchased this house about 2 years ago, and since that time we found a few things that were hidden by the previous owners, or just things that we generally didn't like that we wanted to change and make it our own. Today we're going to tackle the hallway that you saw out there that has the stains on the carpet. Now this isn't a big project, it's a small hallway, and I've already done another room in this hardwood floor type, and now I'm expanding it out into the hallway. So it's not a big area, but there are a lot of doorways, a lot of various different cuts that'll have to take place. Part of any home improvement project is demolition. And I will apologize to you in advance because I'm here by myself today, and this is a small area, so some of the angles are going to be hard to capture, but we're going to do our best to show you what we do in here today. Now I've got about 500 staples to remove. Well, that felt like it took forever, but we finally got all the staples pulled, cleaned everything up, and went around and took off all the trim at the bottom of the walls. So the next step is going to be taking the little saw and cutting around the bottom of the door trim so that the wood can slide underneath. One down, 8 more to go. So we've mostly got the blue underlayment down. You can see we taped up the seams. And now we're on to laying down the product. All right, so now we're getting to the tricky part of the install, and this is the part, if you're like me, that's going to take you the longest. From the doorstop down to the end of the molding here, and I have 3 inches. And I'm going to measure here from the inside of my piece of wood to the outstop of the stopping point of the door jamb, and I also have 3 inches. So I know my middle point in this board is going to be 3 inches. Next thing I need to do is get the shape that I want to cut it in, and that's where my contour tool is going to come into play. So I'm going to take this tool right here, and I'm going to push it up against the door jamb in the area that I want my board to be. I'm going to lay this on my board down here where my 3-inch intersection is at, and I'm going to trace around this as soon as I find my pen. I'm going to trace around this, then I'm going to go cut it out on the saw downstairs in the garage. Safety first. So finally finished, and as you can see, the floor turned out beautiful. This is a pretty simple job that most DIYers can do on a weekend, and I did this entire job for under $200. If you enjoyed this video, like and ring the bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.